Hi, this is Ani with Day Trading with Ani, and this is my site. And as you know, many of you know, I do post some trades and trade ideas, and the charts I post generally speak of a target, an entry, and a target. But sometimes I don't use that. Sometimes I give you just some ideas to look at to see if you can pick up what you'd like to do, what a chart tells you to do. So here, let's talk about RIMM that I posted on Tuesday as the earnings report and earnings play to do. There we had I posted just nothing but a bear chart here with a couple of indicators and a couple of trend lines really, and I wanted to show you that what I was expecting, if there's a good result, at which was I was expecting 50 and from about 48, and if there was a bad result, I expected it to drop from 42 to 35. Now on Monday this closed at 44.15, but of course over the days it did rise, and it came back up to about 46.49, which it closed here today on Thursday. Notice I kept the same trend lines here, and then was awaiting the earnings results, which was post-market a few minutes past 4 o'clock. And I had everything set up for an entry around 48 if it was a good result, and an entry around 42 if it was a bad result. And as soon as that was posted, I was ready to roll. The reason I chose those entries is basically here on the chart, where previously it was a support, but on a good earnings momentum this would probably break through and fill this gap. So that's what I was looking for, and that's why I targeted 50. On the downside, I was looking at 42 because of this low, and it being the low, I felt that could be easily broken given the history of the past earnings where it disappointed. So I was looking for that to break through, and generally speaking, when that disappointed, it dropped normally about, as you can see, about 10 points here. So I was looking for history to see where it would drop to, and looking at the history on this, you can possibly tell, if I go far enough back, that this actually went back to all the way back to 209 to 3505, double bottom here, and that happened in April of 2009. So that was my secondary target on that. And as you know, the earnings came out and they were very positive. They did beat the street, and what happened was we were ready with that 48 entry and entered, played the momentum up to our target, and we were out. It just that's how we play an earnings play on RIMM. Okay, and I would like to go over, and in the future I will go over some other trades that I post on my site. You're welcome to look at them. I'll be posting them on YouTube, and my site is really about trading, day trading, teaching you to trade. Please come visit. You can come into our room and check us out, and I'd be happy to welcome you. Have a nice day and happy trading. Bye bye.